In this video, I'll show you how to connect Firebase to N8N, unlocking seamless automation for your real-time database. Start by going to the Credentials section in N8N. Click Create New and select Firebase from the list. This sets up N8N to securely connect with your Firebase project. Next, paste the JSON from your Firebase project into the credential field. This JSON includes your project's configuration and access keys, so make sure to keep it safe and use it only from trusted sources. Once your credentials are set up, you can use N8N's built-in plugins Firebase nodes. Get node, retrieve data from a specific path in your database for use in workflows. Set node, write, or replace data entirely at a given path. Double-check paths to avoid overwriting important data. Update node, modify specific fields without affecting other data. Perfect for incremental changes. So remove node, delete a node and its contents. Use with caution as deletions are irreversible. By mastering these nodes, you can manage Firebase data efficiently and integrate it into powerful automation workflows with N8N. That's it. You're now ready to connect Firebase to N8N and streamline your data operations.